I'm sure you're wondering, Zara, why are you at Erewhon? This is an AI video. Hear me out, okay? Hi, I'm Zara. I live in LA, I'm in my 30s, and I've been a corporate girly for 12 years. First as a lawyer and now as a product manager at a tech company. I share corporate life content here on YouTube, and I'm obsessed with finding new ways to use AI to make my life easier. So before we get started, let's do a little bit of an AI 101. So if you don't have ChatGPT, Gemini, or Claude, I recommend you download one of them. These are all of the ways that I currently use those apps in my day-to-day life. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to start on a challenge this week to find approachable ways to use AI in our daily life. The goal is to learn how to use AI in a different way every single day of the week, and we're gonna try to use different resources to learn. I'm sure I'm gonna learn so much I already don't know. Let's get into it. I'm sure you're wondering, Zara, why are you at Erewhon? This is an AI video. Hear me out, okay? So I just got done talking to a friend. So I just asked her, hey, do you use AI in your daily life? I'm just curious. So she basically shared with me that she uses it at grocery stores to read labels, to find nutrition facts, to identify any hidden ingredients. Like she's gluten-free, so she doesn't want any ingredient with gluten or added sugar. She also asks ChatGPT to compare different items to see which one's healthier. So we're gonna give it a go and see if it's actually useful. Let's go. So I found a fudge brownie mix that I really like, and I wanna make sure that it is actually gluten-free. Hold on. This one. So let's see if we can ask ChatGPT to help us. I'm gonna open up the app and then click here, because I have the pro version, and then I will click on the video camera so it can scan in real time. See? So now I'll ask it questions. Can you please review the ingredient list and tell me if this is actually gluten-free, and tell me if there's any added sugars here.
It does contain added sugar in the form of organic coconut sugar. However, all the ingredients listed are gluten-free.
I want to buy this miso paste, but I don't know what to use it for. What can I cook with it?
Miso paste is super versatile. You can use it to make miso soup, add it to marinades, or even mix it into salad dressings. It adds a great umami flavor.
Well, I'm liking this so far. And now I'm headed to my favorite aisle, which is the chips aisle, because I'm a salty food girl. Oh my God, what is this? This is the first time I'm seeing this chili and lime organic quinoa popcorn. This is coming home with me. I'm obsessed with Olipop. I love all of these flavors, but vintage cola is my favorite. Can you look at the ingredient list for this Olipop and tell me if this is actually healthy?
Yes, this sparkling water is healthy. It doesn't contain added sugars or artificial sweeteners. It's essentially just carbonated water with natural flavors, so it's a good option if you're looking for a refreshing drink without added sugars.
You guys, I'm actually impressed. That was so good. It was so helpful, and I really like that live camera function. But if you don't have that, you can just take a picture of the ingredient list and upload it to ChatGPT, and it'll do the same thing. I just pay for the Plus plan, which is like $20 a month, but I use it so much, it's definitely worth it. Yeah, that was a success. I'm sitting here right now just waiting for a friend to meet me for lunch, and I started scrolling on my phone, and I checked my email, and I saw 2 newsletters that I subscribed to that I used to kind of keep myself in the know for AI, and I wanted to share them with you because I know there's so many options out there to get your information about AI, but I really like these ones because they're easy to digest. They're again made for the layperson. One is called Ben's Bites, and the other one's called Neuron Daily. Ben's Bites I like because they offer free courses and tutorial videos that you can go through to actually learn step by step how to do something. For example, I learned how to use Sora from ChatGPT to make short videos, or I also learned how to create images using Midjourney based on a tutorial that they have there, and it's free. And then I use Neuron as a way to stay up to date with the latest developments in AI. They break it down in a very, again, digestible way, and it helps you understand how the changes in AI applies to you. For example, like how AI has been impacting the economy and the job market, and just generally the impact that it has on human intelligence. All just good info for us to know as AI evolves. I really like those, so I thought I'd share them with you. Hey guys, I hope you can hear me. I'm at a very loud cafe, but I came here to spend some time researching free online courses that I could take to learn more about AI. I know there's so many free resources out there, so it can be really overwhelming. But the one that I decided to take was Google's Introduction to Generative AI. And it's a 45-minute course. It explains the fundamentals of AI, large language models in general. I also learned a lot of AI jargon like hallucination, machine learning, and foundation models. So yeah, and for those of you who don't know, generative AI is a type of artificial intelligence that can create new content, visuals, text, images, based on input. So ChatGPT is an example of generative AI. So you complete the course, you can take a quiz. I got an 80%. I'm actually quite proud of myself, but the reason I liked this course was because it's basically explaining AI for people with non-technical background. You're looking for a free resource that doesn't take up too much of your time, but introduces you to the fundamentals of AI. I'd recommend that one for sure. Okay. So I was being a couch potato after work today, just, like sitting there mindlessly scrolling through social media. And I thought, hello, TikTok and Instagram has so much free information about how to use AI. And there's so many content creators that I follow on there that make this type of content. So I went through and I found one of my favorite creators on TikTok. Her name is Ask ChatGPT. I really like the way that she talks about ChatGPT, but other AI tools in general and how they apply to our lives. I want to share specifically this one video, 7 ways to use image to text ChatGPT. Basically, she just has to take a picture of something and ask GPT information about it or questions about it. One of my favorite examples that she gives in this video is to take a picture of a plant if you don't know what it is, or if you don't know how much it should be watered. I've killed lots of houseplants before. What I plan on doing is just taking a picture of my plant and asking ChatGPT, like, does it look healthy? Does it need more water? Because that's kind of where I have trouble. I'll leave the link to her video down below. But yeah, check out TikTok and Instagram. Do a simple search for AI tools and how to use AI in everyday life, and you'll find so much free information there as well. Hey guys, I'm at lunch with a coworker today. Of course, I asked her how she uses AI for work. She's a project manager, and she said that she has to do a lot of presentations to leadership, and she has to write really long documents for people to read, but of course no one reads them. So she uses AI to create tables and graphs to include in her presentations and documents to present the information visually, increase chances of people reading the information that she's trying to present. Like, just read pages and pages of documents, and sometimes even breaking it out into bullet points doesn't help. So that's a great idea. So yeah, I recommend just uploading a document into ChatGPT and asking it to create a table, maybe specify what rows and columns you want it to create, so that's more clear. Oh yeah, guys, one more thing that we wanted to tell you. Be careful putting any confidential information of your company into ChatGPT. Our company has our own AI tools, so that's what we use, but we wouldn't ever put any company specific information or confidential information into tools like Claude, Gemini, ChatGPT. Just check your company policy on that. All right guys, so that brings us to the end of this video. I hope you guys were able to learn some new ways to use AI. So I don't want to hear an excuse as to why you're not using it daily and learning about it as it evolves, because trust me, you're gonna get left behind if you don't, and we don't want that. So before I go, I want to hear in the comments below how you use AI daily. I would love to learn from you guys because I know you guys are on it. You're going to teach me so much. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like videos like this, please subscribe. Till next time, bye.